Well, it is National Pizza Day tomorrow, but we needed to mark it here today.
Yes, here to take us through a variety of pizzas that could inspire you to make your own are the pizza guys from Pico, Nat Levy and Eden Hazan. How are you guys?
Good, thank you.
Thanks for being here. Happy Pizza Day.
Thanks for having us.
As always.
Okay, so as always, I mean you got to start with the foundation, which is the dough.
Of course. So Neapolitan dough is very sensitive. When you work with it, you do got to give it a lot of love. But when you open it up, you really want to kind of stay away from the crust. Okay, so I'll show you a couple steps to make it very, very easy for you to do at home. Firstly, you're just pushing out all the dough, the air out of the dough.
Oh, I like how you started
And this is a specific type of pizza, Neapolitan pizza.
Yes, yes. And again, with Neapolitan, it's all about that trademark crust. So if you want to kind of just push the air bubbles upwards and towards the crust.
And Neapolitan it's from Napoli, Italy.
Like this. Okay.
Just like that.
All right, like
Okay,
that.
awesome, awesome. Let me give you a quick hand for the next step.
please.
So
Save them.
And save me. Save the pizza.
as you're working with the dough, you always want to make sure you have a nice layer of flour underneath to help you kind of, work with the dough, let it take its natural course. But if you want to just try to push this side up and to the right and then turn it.
Okay.
You want to
There's a rhythm bend. Did you see him like his whole body was into it?
There's no touching the crust.
There's no touching the crust.
That's actually the number one mistake everybody makes.
That stadium look.
And then that, and then turn.
That's it.
You nailed it.
And then turn.
You absolutely nailed it. Perfect.
It's like training.
And why can't you touch the crust?
Because again, that trademark Neapolitan look is to have
like the edge,
the stadium,
the thin middle of the pizza, while having that.
I got this.
Thicker portion around.
You stretch pizza
and now
the way you
Neapolitan
dance.
crust is big,
What
but
does
it's
that
empty.
mean?
It's air.
The final
like
step?
a boss? Is that what you mean? I stretch it like a boss?
Exactly what I meant.
Then you're
Okay, this is now this I can't do this.
I think you should give it a shot.
Okay,
Come on, just don't hit me.
No, God, no.
Just a little toss.
No, okay.
Ready?
I'm backing way up.
There you go.
Save the pizza.
All right, okay. All right, what am I doing
Now
now?
just gently put it down.
Okay, do you see what I did there,
See?
Emery?
Look what you
And I didn't
did.
hit anybody in the face with it.
You did
Guys,
a great job.
We're ready to
making-
top. We're ready to top.
Okay,
I'm
good.
actually gonna
Pizza,
show you
guys.
guys.
I'm going to jump in to do this part.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
What kind of sauce is this?
Okay, this is our San Marzano.
This one is?
Yes, this is our California sauce.
This is the California
Yes.
sauce. Okay, a full scoop, half scoop, because you
Go-
said too
go
many people
full
put
scoop. Go full scoop.
Yeah,
Full scoop,
yeah,
drop
that's
right
what
in the
If
middle.
you're making
In the
pizza at
middle?
home,
Right in the middle.
I've
Just
seen it
pour the
moving.
whole thing
Oh,
right
just
in.
dump it.
Now use the
Yes.
top.
you don't
Make
want to overdo
circles,
the sauce. A lot of
stretch
people
it
will
out.
put twice as much sauce on there and just ruin
They
the
always do.
pizza,
too.
Do I
right?
need
Here,
more
I'll give you a
sauce?
hand
Oh,
here.
this is driving you crazy.
No,
isn't it? You
no,
need to
we're
fix
just
it.
going to speed it up for
Just
you.
small
Okay.
circles as you
Yeah.
open up towards the
Circles,
crust.
just-
That's how much sauce you're supposed to put on
That's
pizza.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it
Never
drippy.
over sauce it.
Okay, what's next?
There you go. I'm going to hand that over to you.
Thank
We're
you.
gonna get started on
And
the
then
San
let's go
Marzano
cheese.
one.
Okay.
All right.
And give it a nice
So same
spread.
thing about this much?
And
About
nothing
that
on the
round,
crust,
yeah,
right?
in the
Nothing
middle,
on the
and
crust.
Nothing on the
small
crust.
All
circles
right,
as you
so
open
like
it up.
that and then like this.
We won't get mad if you do hit the crust.
Okay.
go.
But try and
Please,
keep it
please
clean.
don't get mad.
Pizza
I'll
before
do
No,
my
I've
best.
eaten
See, that's
lots of
no
pizza.
way.
You
This
can
is
put
a
a
good
little
amount.
more.
A little bit more.
A little
Okay.
bit more.
What kind of
and
cheese
just-
did you guys use?
This is
Okay,
mozzarella.
good. There we go,
And
right?
then just spread it out a bit.
Okay.
That's it.
Perfect.
Keeps it
Okay.
looking authentic.
Perfect.
We can
There
go
you go.
hot peppers.
Ooh, I like the hot peppers.
And
Now
then we
again,
actually
just like
use
she
grilled
did it,
eggplant.
Grab the cheese.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice.
Mine.
Depending how
is going to
spicy
be
you
so
want it.
good.
I
That's
like the grilled
perfect.
peppers.
Okay, now how do we?
Beautiful.
And this is the eggplant?
Because you also don't
This
want to
is
put
the
too much
eggplant.
cheese
Now, is
on
this
it
where you
either,
start
right?
to get
And you
decorative?
want it
Because
to
I
kind
So
of
noticed
this is
around
what we tell
around the
people,
pizza,
when you're
right?
making a pizza, you're making art,
Okay.
right? So
So make it
art.
look pretty.
Yes, make
Okay.
it look pretty. And then the cherry tomatoes are last. So these we actually,
Awesome.
we make them
I
grilled
think you
first.
nailed it.
Ooh, I love that.
Yes, we don't just use raw.
Right there, okay.
Okay.
Get it off the crust. Okay.
Look at me.
Now
I'm
go
doing
ahead.
it. I'm making it artistic.
Let's make ours nicer than Ben's.
Not hard to do.
Anne-Marie,
Perfect. Perfect.
Just
So
make sure-
we're done here. You're done.
Instead of going around the middle,
You always spread
around,
it out.
around the outside
Yeah.
as well.
Yours is more
Yeah.
authentic.
You want the
It's okay.
toppings on every
I mean, have you
slice
ever
of
eaten
meat.
pizza, Anne-Marie? I'm just wondering.
And
I eat pizza all the time.
I don't know. Based on
See?
how you put a
You
pizza
spread it
together,
out,
I don't
and
know.
it's perfect. That's it.
That is, look at
I
that.
didn't
You're
come
done.
to the kitchen to be insulted, Ben.
Done.
Let's put a couple pieces of spinach on
All right, fine if we
it, and
must.
then a little bit of garlic as well.
You know, it's going to be past pizza day by the time you finish this.
That's
mess.
our best. That's our best pizza.
This is the this
Yes.
is your best
This
pizza.
is
It
our
is
best
not your best
Correct.
pizza. Don't encourage
Okay.
it.
There we go.
Awesome.
There we go. And then
That's a
few
lot of
these.
garlic, Ben.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but it's all roasted.
Awesome.
It doesn't taste like garlic. It tastes sweet. Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Awesome.
And
There
this
you
is
go.
our finished product. Thanks,
This
guys.
is the finished product. So this is the first one with the Cali sauce that's on the right. And then this is the Camden special, we call it. That, again, has the chorizo, roasted garlic, and spinach.
Very quickly, we got to talk about what you have
This
here.
looks fantastic.
Talk about the sweet pies.
This is a sweet pie. And feel free to take a bite
I'm gonna have some.
while you guys listen to me ramble.
one we
But
made.
the sweet pie is actually a dessert pizza. We fill it with different chocolate bars, different fruits, marshmallows as well. We're going to quickly top it over here for you guys and let you try it out.
All right.
Why don't you do the caramel, and then
let's do this real quick because we're running out of time.
Beautiful.
As we go to break, keep them open as. As we go to break, we're going to throw things to Priya. Thank you so much.
We'll bring this downstairs so everyone can try. Thanks, guys.